to Couple of Journeys. I am Rushali and we are at the Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve.
To reach Tadoba, we took the Mumbai-Nagpur Duronto Express, which reaches Nagpur at around 7:20 in the morning. Our train was a little bit delayed, so we had quick breakfast and then a 3-hour drive took us to Tadoba. In Tadoba, we were staying close to the Kolara Gate at a property called the Seven Tigers Resort. Staying at the Seven Tigers Resort cost us around 8,000 rupees per night, inclusive of all the meals, including safari meals. We just had to pay additional charges for an extra bed. The room was neat, spacious, clean, well maintained, came with all the basic amenities that you would need inside a jungle, and most importantly, the washroom was equally hygienic and also had a reliable supply of hot water. The resort has a beautiful swimming pool, lots of greenery and open spaces, perfect for a vacation with family. If you want more details on this property, do check out the description. After checking in, we quickly freshened up and went to the property restaurant for lunch, which was a part of our package. The menu was sufficiently elaborate, and after lunch, it was time for us to leave for our first safari at the Belara buffer zone.
We have taken an afternoon safari today. The safari started at 2 o'clock. This is my very first time inside the jungle. I'm super excited.
आपली एरिया आहे 50 ते 55 किलोमीटरची. यामध्ये 4 टायगर आहेत. वीरा फिमेल आहे, एला फिमेल आहे, वीर मेल आहे आणि सायलो मेल आहे. आणि इतर एनिमल्स आहेत स्पॉटेड डिअर, मार्केट डिअर.
The guide here told us that there are 4 adult tigers here and lots of other animals. So stay tuned to find out which animals we spot today.
The Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve is spread over 600 plus square kilometers, and the Belara buffer gate from where we started our safari is a part of the buffer zone. So as you can see, the dark green area in the center is the core area, while the light green area surrounding it is the buffer zone. Afternoon safaris typically have a slow start, especially in the buffer zone, as most animals are resting in the sheltered parts of the forest, and so spotting them becomes difficult. We spent a long time searching, hoping to catch a glimpse of at least some wild creature.
It's been about half an hour since we started the safari, but we are yet to spot any major animal.
But just as I said that, our guide took us to the cave of the tigress Veera. She wasn't there, but we waited outside patiently, scanned the surroundings to see if there were any signs of her return. After about 10 minutes, with no signs of her coming back, we decided to leave and explore the other parts of the jungle. Even though we hadn't spotted any animals yet, as a first timer in the jungle, I was having a great time. The weather was pleasant and the scent of the jungle is so refreshing. Also, the landscape keeps changing every few meters in the jungle. You will find dense trees around, and then suddenly a few meters away, you will run into rocky terrains. The whole world inside a forest is totally enchanting. We then spotted a wild boar deep inside the jungle, but it was too far away for me to capture on camera. As the afternoon was progressing, the journey was getting more exciting. My husband saw some pug marks, but they weren't fresh, and that meant a tiger wasn't around. So we continued our journey onwards. Along the way, we stopped at a beautiful, quiet water body to see if we could spot some tiger movement. But the area was completely still, and so we decided to leave and try our luck elsewhere. A few minutes later, we saw our friends waiting in their gypsies next to a little stream. We also decided to wait with them patiently in the hope of some tiger sighting. But even though we were almost 2 hours into our safari, there was still no sign of a tiger. At around 4 o'clock, our guide took us near the lake to see if any animals had come out there to drink water. Other than the melodious sound of a few chirping birds, there was no sign of any animal there. Would we get to see a tiger on this safari? I began to wonder. But our guide and our driver were very optimistic. They told us that once the temperature starts going down, the chances of animal sighting go up. And then soon after, our driver got a tip that the tigress Bela had been spotted in another part of the buffer zone. We swiftly drove to that area in what was a truly adventurous ride. Make sure your child is seated between two adults and that you're holding on to the gypsy tightly to avoid falling off. We then reached the place where Bela was last spotted and then waited patiently without making any sound for her glimpse. But just then our driver got to know that Bela had crossed over to the other side and our exciting chase for Bela continued. Many gypsies had gathered at the same spot, and while our friends in another gypsy caught a glimpse of her tail, we missed Bela by just a few seconds. And while we were sad about it, just in 5 minutes, our driver got a call that the tigress Veera was spotted somewhere just a short drive away. We rushed to that spot, super excited, hoping that we don't miss Veera this time. We waited, hoping to see her soon. We just had half an hour left on this safari. And just then, we caught a glimpse of her walking in the bushes far away from us. And that's why our driver rushed and he drove us straight to the point from where she would emerge out of the bushes. And there she was, in all her glory, straight in front of us. We continued to follow her for a bit till she disappeared out of sight.
So I can't believe we got to see a tiger in our very first jungle safari. So one tip that I have for you is don't just look out for tigers. Of course, they are the highlight of Tadoba. There's so much more to see and experience on a jungle safari. So make sure you look forward to all the possible experiences that you can gather, because a jungle safari is a truly unique experience. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with all your friends and family, subscribe to our channel. Also, do check out our website coupleofjourneys.com, where you will see that there are lots of articles all around planning a jungle safari. My husband, who, even though he is not really on camera, is an expert in planning jungle safaris, and the content on the website is extremely helpful, especially if you're planning a trip with kids and family. So do check that out, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.